Hey guys, if you are looking for 4K video quality, no buffering and best customer service in reasonable price, then this is the IPTV for you. In this video, I am going to introduce Best Streamz IPTV service. Best Streamz IPTV supports any Android platform, iPhone, MacBox and Firestick. They do offer M3 link as well. On the application dashboard, you have live TV, guide, movies, series and other settings. Let me jump on live TV. They offers almost 10,000 live channels. They cover pretty much all the channels from USA. For example, Basic, Premium, all the local channels like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, PBS and many others. You also get channels from Talk Radio, USA Kids, Religious, Direct and Latino. Best Stream makes sure that you don't miss any sports channels. They covers all the game like NFL, NHL, MLB, soccer, NCAA and many more. There are over 300 channels from Canada and UK. Other than Canada, UK and USA, they offer channels from Africa, Albania, Algeria, Arabia, Argentina, ASEAN, Australia, Bangladesh, Belgium, Bolivia, Brazil, Caribbean, Chile, Colombia, Croatia, Egypt, Salvador, France, Germany, Greece, Honduras, India, Israel, Italy, Latino. They do have multiple categories for Latino channels. You get tons of channels from Peru, Pakistan, Philippines, Polish, Portugal, Puerto Rico, Romania, Russia, Spain, Syria, Thailand, Turkey and many more. You get over 500 channels from adult as well. Pretty much they cover all the channels from worldwide. I cannot play any video due to copyright issue. Most of the channels works great. There is no buffering. Best Streams do offer TV guide for most of the live channels. You can see the upcoming schedule of your favorite TV shows. This is the plus point of this IPTV. Let's jump on movie section. Best Streams offer over 4,000 movies and video on demand. All the movies are divided into category wise. For example, action, comedy, animation, drama, documentary, family, fantasy, history, horror, mystery, music, sci-fi, romance, war, western and many more. All the movies are either in HD or 4K quality. I believe 14,000 movies is the big collection. This stream also offers series from over 500 contents. The series categories are action, adventure, animation, comedy, crime, documentary, drama, kids, mystery, reality, sci-fi, talk and many others. In the settings there are options for player, video size, account, EPG time shift, support, speed test and many others. Let me show you how to purchase this IPTV. This is the website of Best Streamz IPTV. They do offer 24-hour trials in $2. They offer plans for 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. In the monthly plan they offer 3 connections in $16 and 5 connections in $18. For quarterly, they have prices for $36 for 3 connections and $54 for 5 connections. I believe multiple connection is a huge benefit. You can share the streams with your friends and family. Their customer service is really good. For the payment, they accept all major credit cards. You only need to register your account on the website to purchase this IPTV. They do provide web player link so you can watch your IPTV in your computer browser. Overall, this is the best IPTV service based on video quality, multiple live channels, video on demand, multiple connection and reasonable price. I highly recommend this IPTV service. You must try this IPTV and let me know your experience in comment box. That is it in this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.